Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Bambu X1 Carbon is probably one of the most impressive 3D printers on the market, boasting incredible print speeds, high-quality results, and a user-friendly interface. This in-depth review will explore its key features, performance, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right addition to your workshop or home. Number 5. Bambu Lab X1 Rainbow PEY+PEI Plate. This innovative build plate offers two distinct surfaces for optimal 3D printing. One side features a stunning rainbow starry texture, while the other provides a practical textured PEI finish. The unique PEY surface creates a beautiful starry pattern on your prints. It's easy to maintain, simply wipe it with a damp cloth or alcohol to restore its vibrant appearance. It boasts two sides, each with a different texture. One side is perfect for PLA, TPU, PETG, and ABS, while the other supports a wider range of filaments, including ASA, PVA, and PC. For best results, always clean the surface thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth between prints. Removing any oil or residue ensures optimal adhesion. It's designed to perfectly fit various Bambu Lab 3D printers, including the X1C, X1, X1E, P1P, P1S, and A1 models. Enjoy seamless integration and superior printing performance. Remember that the maximum temperature for the PEY side is 180 degrees Celsius, and for the PEI side, it's 260 degrees Celsius. Always adhere to these temperature limits for optimal results. What we like. This build plate offers two distinct textures, a unique rainbow starry pattern and a textured PEI surface. It's perfect if you love experimenting with different finishes and want a build plate that works with a wide variety of filaments. If you appreciate visually stunning prints and need a reliable surface for various materials, this is the one for you. What people say. The plate is very colorful with rainbow dots and stars. If you shine an intense light from a flashlight, the effect is even stronger. But who knew it could actually be transferred to the bottom surface of the 3D print? This works great. My first print was not that smooth, so I adjusted my build plate a little closer to get a better smear on the build plate, and the next one came out looking exactly like the build plate. I was amazed. This plate, like other Ideaformer plates I've tried, works. It's well constructed, and my builds had no problem sticking to the PEY side. The star pattern is attractive. Number 4. Bambu Lab X1 Build Plate. It features a dual-sided design, combining smooth carbon fiber PET and textured PEI surfaces. This provides versatility for various filaments and printing needs. The smooth PET side is perfect for PLA filaments. It ensures easy model removal and a clean finish. The textured PEI side offers excellent adhesion for a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, and nylon. Say goodbye to warping. It's built to withstand high temperatures, the PET side up to 120 degrees Celsius and the PEI side up to 260 degrees Celsius. This ensures reliable performance. Experience strong adhesion to your prints. Remember to let it cool before removing models to protect the surface. It's designed for Bambu Lab X1, X1C, and other compatible printers with a 257 by 257 mm build platform. Always double-check your printer's dimensions. What we like. One side boasts a smooth carbon fiber finish for flawless prints, while the other offers the superior adhesion of a textured PEI surface. Prints release effortlessly, making it ideal for users who value convenience and a clean finish. If you prioritize smooth prints and easy removal, this is your best bet. What people say. I have been using the Ideaformer 3D double-sided textured PEO PET build plate on my Bambu Lab printer for over 100 hours on each side, and it's holding up fantastically. The texture is intact with no peeling or wear, and PLA adheres perfectly every time. When I use these beds with the diffraction pattern side up, it has dual sides, normal PEI textured or the diffraction grading side triangles. I mostly stick with PLA and TPU. I have completed several hundred prints on the AnchorMake M5 using these beds with zero issue. Really like the colorful transfer onto my prints. Makes for a great effect in lighting and especially in pieces that move and hit the light differently. Plate adhesion is great with both PLA and PETG and gets great print quality. Number 3. Bambu Lab X1 3D Printer Build Plate. It features a double-sided design with smooth PEO and textured PEI surfaces. This provides excellent adhesion for a wide variety of filaments. Experience superior adhesion, ensuring your prints stick firmly to the surface. Remember to let it cool before removing your prints to protect the coating. Its flexible spring steel sheet makes removing prints a breeze. Simply bend it gently to release your finished creations. It's compatible with PLA, TPU, PETG, ABS, and nylon filaments. You might need glue for some materials, but most will adhere perfectly. Designed specifically for Bambu Lab X1 CX1 X1 EP1 PP1 SA1 printers with a 257 by 257 mm platform. Please double-check your printer's size before ordering. We're here to help. If you encounter any issues, contact us through your Amazon order page. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like. It features an upgraded PEO surface for superior adhesion and a textured PEI side for added versatility. Its flexibility makes removing prints a breeze, saving you time and effort. If you want a flexible, easy-to-use build plate with excellent adhesion, this is the perfect choice. Number 2. Bambu Lab PEI+PEO Sheet. This innovative build plate is designed to seamlessly integrate with your Bambu Lab X1, X1C, X1E, P1P, P1S, or A1 printer. It offers superior adhesion and easy model removal, enhancing your 3D printing experience. One side features a textured PEI surface for strong adhesion, while the other boasts a smooth PEO finish. Choose the side that best suits your printing needs for optimal results. It's made from high-quality polyethylene, flame-resistant material that's low in smoke production. This ensures a safe and reliable printing process. This build plate provides an exceptionally flat surface, ensuring your prints adhere perfectly and maintain their integrity. Say goodbye to warping and uneven surfaces. Its flexible design makes removing your prints a breeze. Simply peel and bend it to release your finished models without any hassle. It's compatible with a wide range of Bambu Lab 3D printers, making it a versatile addition to your printing setup. Upgrade your printing experience today. What we like. This build plate provides a textured PEI side for superior adhesion and a smooth PEO side for a variety of printing needs. Its exceptional flatness ensures consistent print quality. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use build plate with excellent adhesion and flatness, this is for you. What people say. The adhesion is outstanding. Very nice product. This looks very similar to the original build plate on my A1 printers. It locks onto the heated bed magnetically, just like the OEM. I printed a large light box today, which would show any flaws. The results were excellent. Texture is the same, no adhesion issues. Once the bed cooled, the part was easily lifted off. Excellent product. The adhesion of PLA on this PEI sheet is outstanding. The PEI sheet is of top-notch quality, durable, and easy to install. It provides a consistent and reliable surface for my prints, promoting excellent adhesion while allowing for easy removal once the bed cools down. The compatibility with the Bambu Lab X1, P1P, and P1S carbon build plate is a major advantage, ensuring a snug fit and a hassle-free setup. Number 1. Bambu Lab PEI Bed Plate. This magnetic PEI plate is incredibly strong and flexible, making it easy to remove prints. It's perfect for your Bambu Lab 3D printer. It features a smooth side and a textured side, giving you options for different printing needs. Get the best adhesion for your prints, no matter the material. Say goodbye to scraping and struggling. Simply flex the plate to release your prints quickly and easily. This high-quality spring steel plate is built to last. It can withstand thousands of bends without losing its shape. PEI is ideal for 3D printing because it handles the repeated heating and cooling cycles without any issues. It's a reliable choice for your prints. It's designed to fit perfectly on your Bambu Lab P1P, P1S, X1 Carbon, and X1 Carbon combo printers. Enjoy seamless integration and improved printing. What we like. This magnetic build plate is incredibly convenient, offering both smooth and textured surfaces. Its magnetic backing makes installation and removal a snap, and the flexible material allows for easy print release. If you value convenience and ease of use, this is the ideal option for you. What people say. The textured side leaves a nice texture on the bottom of your prints and the smooth leaves a nice smooth finish. Print sticks well to both sides, perhaps a wee bit too well, but I have not had a print come loose while I was printing, from either side, and the plate is holding up great. I just scrub it lightly from time to time with a little dish soap to keep it clean, and it has been going strong for a couple of months now in dozens of prints. On larger prints, even after allowing the plate to completely cool, the print will still stick to it pretty good. A quick wash with dish soap and water fixed that right up. I have not used the textured side, but I plan to continue using the smooth side until the film wears off. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.